ready to effortlessly stock your Shopify store with trending products from CJ Dropshipping. This video will guide you through every step of integrating products from CJ Dropshipping directly into your Shopify store, making product sourcing and listing a breeze. First things first, ensure you have both a CJ Dropshipping account and a Shopify store set up. You'll need to install the CJ Dropshipping app on your Shopify store. Navigate to your Shopify admin, go to the Apps section, and click on Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type CJ Dropshipping and press Enter. Select the official CJ Dropshipping app and click the Add App button. You'll then be prompted to grant permissions to connect your Shopify store with CJ Dropshipping. Approve these permissions. Once connected, you'll see your CJ Dropshipping dashboard integrated within your Shopify admin. Now, let's find a product. Browse CJ Dropshipping for products you want to sell. You can use their search bar and filters to find exactly what you're looking for. When you find a product you like, look for the Add to Shopify or Import to Store button. Click this button. You may be asked to select which of your connected Shopify stores you want to import the product to choose your desired store. The product will now appear in your CJ Dropshipping app's product list within your Shopify admin. From here, you can edit the product title, description, pricing, and any variations. Adjust your pricing to ensure profitability and customize the descriptions to match your brand voice. Once you're happy with your product details, you can publish it to your Shopify store. It will then be available for your customers to buy. This seamless integration means when a customer places an order on your Shopify store, it can be automatically forwarded to CJ Dropshipping for fulfillment, streamlining your entire dropshipping operation.